In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, on the day of resurrection, a man will be brought forth to stand before Allah, and his book of deeds will be presented to him, and he will not see any of his good deeds therein, upon which he will exclaim, My God, this is not my book, for verily, I do not see any of my acts of obedience therein. So he will be told, Verily, your Lord neither loses nor forgets deeds, but your deeds have gone because of your backbiting people. Then another man will be brought forth and will be presented his book of deeds, and he will see many acts of obedience recorded therein, and will exclaim, My God, this is not my book, for verily, I did not perform all these acts of obedience. And he will be told it is, But has so-and-so backbit you, so his deeds have been transferred to you. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, On the night that I was taken on my night journey to the heavens, I passed by a group of people scratching their own faces with their nails, so I asked, O Jael, who are these people? So he replied, These are people who backbit about other people and disparaged their reputations. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, also said, Backbiting is worse than adultery, at which he was asked how. So he replied, A man commits adultery, then repents, and Allah pardons him for it, whereas the backbiter is not forgiven until his victim forgives him. Once Hazrat Imam Hussein said to a man who was backbiting about a man in his presence, Stop backbiting, for verily it is the food of the dogs of hell. May Allah guide us to the right path and live a beautiful life in the eyes of our Creator.